Mango trees are easy to grow if you live in the right climate. Mangoes thrive in areas where the average temperature stays between 80 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, 27 to 38 degrees Celsius, during most of the year and does not dip below freezing in the winter. It's also best if you don't get more than 12 inches, 30.5 centimeters of rain per year. Your mango will be happiest outdoors in an area that gets plenty of direct sunlight during the day, with sandy, well-drained, acidic soil. To grow a mango tree from seed, remove the pit from a large ripe mango fruit and clean it with a scrub brush or steel wool pad to remove all the fibers. Put the pit someplace cool and dark and allow it to dry overnight. Then carefully pry it open with a sharp knife and remove the inner seed. Place the seed about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters deep, in a pot full of potting soil, making sure to position the seed with the concave side facing down. Dampen the soil, but don't make it sopping wet. Store the pot in a warm, shady area for about 2 to 3 weeks, or until the seed sprouts. Once you see a sprout, transfer the seedling to the ground or a larger pot in a sunny location outdoors. If you're planting a larger sapling, dig a hole that's about 2 to 4 times the size of the baby tree's root ball. Set the tree in the hole so that the root ball is level with the ground, or slightly above it. Then fill in the hole with a 50 by 50 mix of compost and soil. After you've planted the tree, wait until you see some new growth, then dissolve some 6662 fertilizer in warm water and apply it around the base of the tree. From then on, fertilize the tree about once a month during its first year. Water your mango tree every other day for the first week after you plant it, then about once or twice a week for the rest of its first year. You can also water older trees once a week if you're having a particularly dry period. Weed the area around the base of the tree regularly, and put a layer of mulch around the roots to trap moisture and prevent new weeds from growing. As the tree gets bigger, prune it occasionally to reduce crowding near the center of the tree and encourage it to grow new fruit. Cut excess branches back to about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters from the trunk. After about 5 to 8 years, your mango tree will begin to produce fruit.